What's up, guys? On my way out here to check out Killmonger. I don't know what the problem is. Seems like I'm having mad wheel hop on the 1-2 shift. I changed the tires, went to the Mickey Thompson comps, street comps. Yeah, I know they're not drag radials, but I figured they would be better than the Firestone I had on here. But ever since then, the last 2 times at the track, I just get wheel hop on the 1-2 shift. Yeah, I've tried all different type of tire pressure, leaving it stock, dropping it down, dropping it all the way down to 24 PSI. Same thing. Launches me out of the hole good. But the wheel hop is something crazy. I got a video of that posted on the channel. You'll see it. I think I'm gonna go back to my Firestone Firehawk Indies. I didn't have this problem when I was on them. You know, I don't know if with this ported 18 intake I put in and the new injectors, maybe the car is just making too much power for the tires that I'm running. I know I'm gonna have to go to drag radials soon, but I didn't think it was gonna be this bad. As you see, we have the 2018 ported intake with LU 47-pound injectors, PMOS cold air intake. What else? Lund tune on E85. It's making power. It's making 115, almost 116 miles per hour in the track. But my best time is still 12:41. So I have a seated stop to hop kit on it. Have UPR vertical links. I got a Barton shifter. You know, car is running good. It's just getting the power to the track, which means I have to pony up and get me some drag radials for sure. Probably next weekend, I'm going to put the Firestone Firehawk Indies back on it because I ran the best time at 12:44 on those. And my best time on these Mickey Thompsons is the first time I ran them straight off the track. After a 2-hour drive down to the track, I ran the 12:41. But after that, nothing but wheel hop on the second shift. Not sure what's going on, but I'll give the Firestones a shot with this new power I got and see if that makes any difference. Car's running beautifully. You know, my guy Rob at Rob Performance over there in Belleville has this thing running right. Brandon at Lund Racing tunes the hell out of this car. And I'm getting good mile per hour. I should be in the 11s. I should be in the 11s right now, but I'm not. It's kind of aggravating, but I know the problem. The problem is I'm just going to have to fork over the money and get the tires. But with winter time coming, it's kind of like, do I want to do that? You hear it sounds like a beast. That MBRP exhaust, catback exhaust. Now mind you, I'm running 12.4s on street tires with no headers. Factory exhaust manifold. So I know with a little more changes, I'm definitely into the mid-11s. It's gotta be. Just putting it all together. Alright, that's it for now. I just want to give y'all an update of what's going on with the car. She's running great. Just got to get the power to the ground. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later.